according to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. The latest numbers we have, Africa imports 85% of its food. 85% of our food comes from outside the continent, when less than 100 years ago, during colonial times, we used to be the breadbasket for colonial powers.
Absolutely.
So that transformation didn't happen by accident. It was by design, intentional design.
Mm-hmm.
And it was as soon as we started to gain independence in the 1950s and early 60s. To be more specific, in 1955, when the Europeans were meeting in Rome for the Treaty of Rome, the foundation of the European Union, they said, we have a problem. We have a food sovereignty problem. We're so dependent on the colonies. So they decided to start investing in their own food sovereignty. In 1962, they introduced the European Common Agricultural Policy, which is a heavy agricultural subsidy system to prioritize the production of core crops in Europe. So maize, wheat, soybean, the core crops that every society needs for its survival, essentially. And as a result, our farmers in the global south, in Africa in particular, couldn't compete with the subsidized wheat and corn and barley that's coming from Europe. And of course, it wasn't just Europe. It was the major economic blocs, the US, Canada, Australia, Japan, the former Soviet Union, which is why Russia and the Ukraine dominate the exports of wheat and corn globally.